हेलो, आपका स्वागत है अग्रवाल क्लासेस में फिर से। आप देख रहे हैं मोलारिटी के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस इन केमिस्ट्री। बढ़ते हैं हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच इज बेस्ड ऑन मोलारिटी इन 508 मिलीलीटर ऑफ 2.75 मोलर NaF solution how many grams of solute is present? Naturally sodium fluoride is solute and water is the solvent. We are given volume of the solution, molarity of the solution, but we have to find the weight in grams. Mass, we should say mass in grams. Naturally पहले हम फार्मूला लगाएंगे, मोलारिटी का यूज करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम. मोलारिटी it is given 2.75 mole, volume it is given, we have to find the number of moles, for which we have to find the molar mass of sodium fluoride. The atomic mass of sodium is 23 plus fluorine 19, that is equal to 42. We are using G for molar mass. As we already know, number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. We can find the number of moles. We will put the value of N here, that is equivalent to, putting all the relevant values, we see molarity is 2.75, number of moles, given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass we have to find, divided by molar mass we have just calculated 42 whole divided by volume, it is 508 milliliter, but molarity is in liter, therefore we will divide it by 1000 to convert it into liter. That is equivalent to, we will multiply W by 42 by 1000 divided by 508. In order to calculate the value of W, we will find 2.75 cross multiply into 42 into 508 whole divided by 1000. We will calculate this, and this is going to be approximately 58.6 gram. It means 58.6 gram of sodium fluoride will be needed to make 508 मिलीलीटर ऑफ 2.75 मोलर सॉल्यूशन. अगर कोई दिक्कत है तो आप कमेंट में करके पूछ सकते हैं. बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. हम मोलारिटी के नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं, विच इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन है, इफ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज प्रेजेंट इन एन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन हैविंग 10% weight by weight of sodium hydroxide, find the molarity of the solution given that density is 1.070 gram per cubic centimeter. First of all we have to understand what is 10% W by W. 10% weight by weight means if we have 100 gram of solution, then 10 gram is sodium hydroxide and 90 gram is water. This is 10%. Out of 100, 10 is sodium hydroxide and 90 is water. Total 100 gram, but 10% is sodium hydroxide. It means in 10% W by W NaOH solution we are having, if we consider there is 100 gram of solution, then 10 gram is weight of the sodium hydroxide and 90 gram is weight of the water. But we have to find the molarity, and molarity निकालने के लिए मोल्स इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा गिवन मास डिवाइडेड बाई मोलर मास ऑफ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. गिवन मास इज 10, मोलर मास इज, let us find fastly, 23 plus 16 plus 1, that is equal to 40 gram for molar mass divided by 40. This is equal to 1 by 4 mole. Number of moles are 1 by 4 mole of sodium hydroxide. But we have to find the molarity. Molarity is number of moles divided by volume. We have found the number of moles we have to find the molarity. The case here lies we have to find the volume. Here the density is given 1.070 gram per cubic centimeter and mass we are considering 100 gram because 10% is given, that is why we are taking 100 as the mass of the solution. We know density represented by rho is equal to mass upon volume. Density here given is 1.070. This is equal to mass 10 gram given, sorry, this is the mass of the solution, this is 100 gram divided by volume we have to find, that is equal to volume is equal to 100 divided by 1.07. we can write 1.070 as 1.07, that is equal to 100, 2 zeros of this divided by 107. This will be in milliliter because density is in cubic centimeter, 1 cubic centimeter is in milliliter, that is why it is coming in milliliter. But we have to find for molarity the volume in liter, that is why we will divide it by 1000. To get molarity, to get volume in liter, this is equal to 10 by 107 liter is the volume of the solution, which is 100 gram in mass. Now we have found the volume also in liter. Molarity we have to find, number of moles is 1 by 4 divided by volume 10 by 107, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 107 divided by 10. This is going to be 26.75 divided by 10, capital M for molarity, 2.675 molarity is the answer of this question. Let us recap. Weight of the sodium hydroxide we are considering due to 10%, 100 gram as the mass of the solution, 10 gram is sodium hydroxide, 90 gram is water. Total mass of the solution is given. On the basis of density we are finding the volume, and due to this 10% we are considering weight of the sodium hydroxide at 10 gram. From 10 gram we found the number of moles by dividing this mass by molecular mass or molar mass. Here it is 1 by 4 mole. Molarity is equal to number of moles by volume, and number of moles by volume is after calculation giving the आंसर. आई होप समझ में आया होगा. समझ में आया होगा तो लाइक ज़रूर प्रोवाइड कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए चैनल को. थैंक यू. बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन मोलारिटी इज देयर इज 30.6 ग्राम ऑफ अमोनिया dissolved in 81.3 gram of water. Density of solution is given 0.982 gram per milliliter. Find molarity of the solution. Let us understand again. There is 30.6 gram ammonia and 81.3 gram of water. Both are mixed to form a solution, the density of which is 0.982 gram per milliliter. Find the molarity of the solution. Let us see how to solve it. First of all, we will see we have to find molarity. We will write the formula of molarity, number of moles divided by volume. We have to find the molarity. Here is the molarity. Number of moles we have to find. We can find number of moles because the solvent is this and the solute is this. We can find number of moles by dividing this given mass by its molar mass. What about volume? We can find the volume by using this density. Let us see. Number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass is 30.6 divided by molar mass. Molar mass naturally we can easily calculate 14 plus 3, 17. 17 is the molar mass of ammonia. This is going to be 306 divided by 170 number of moles. We can cut it by 2. This is equal to 153 divided by 58 mole. Now we have to find the volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Density is given 0.982. Mass of the solution. What is mass of the solution? Actually we are mixing these two constituents of the solution. That is why we will add these two components, the masses of these two components, to find the mass of the solution and the densities of this solution. Therefore mass will be equal to sum of these two, 30.6 plus 81.3. Mass of the solution is 111.9 gram. We can write here 111.9 gram is the mass of the solution. Density of the solution is already given. Volume, we have to find the volume of the solution. We are finding this volume because this volume will be kept here and it is the volume of the solution. That is equal to V is equal to 111.9 divided by 0.982. Can anyone think about the unit of this, whether it is in milliliter or liter? Good, it will be in milliliter because density is in milliliter. Density is in milliliter, that is why volume is coming out to be in milliliter. In order to convert it into liter, we will divide it by 1000. That will be equal to 1119 divided by 9820. Actually we multiplied 0.982 by 1000, we get 982, and due to this point decimal we put 0 extra here. This much liter is the volume of the solution. Now we have to find the molarity. Number of moles we have already found, 153 divided by 85, and the volume is coming to be, that is equal to 153 divided by 85 into 9820 divided by 1119. This is the molarity of the solution. When you will calculate, you will find that it will be approximately 15.8 molar. This is the molarity of the solution, and this is the आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. आई होप समझ में आया होगा. फिर भी कोई डिफिकल्टी होती है कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के पूछ सकते हैं. देखते हैं हम अपना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रुक गया बेटे, करी सच में कर दिया. On molarity, this is the 8th question. If sulfuric acid solution is 3N, find its molarity. What is this 3N? Actually this is 3 normal, N for normality. What is this normality? Let us see. First of all, we will write the formula of sulfuric acid. H2SO4 is the formula of sulfuric acid. Its molar mass will be 2 plus 32 plus 16 into 4, 64, that is going to be 98 gram. This is the molar mass. This is the molar mass of sulfuric acid. In an acid, the atoms of hydrogen that can be dissociated are known as the basicity of the acid. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड में 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स जो हैं वो डिस्प्लेस हो जाते हैं इन इट्स एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. दैट इज व्हाई इट्स बेसिसिटी इज 2. देयरफॉर वी विल हैव ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स. ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट मास of sulfuric acid will be 98 gram molar mass divided by basicity. Basicity is 2, this subscript 2, this is equal to 49. gram equivalent mass, number of gram equivalents will be 98 divided by 49, this is equal to 2. Let us try to understand. If we dissolve 98 gram, that is 1 mole of sulfuric acid in 1 liter of water, then we will have 1 molar solution, 1 molar solution of sulfuric acid. But at the same time we will say it is 2 normal solution, and ki normality is 2 normal. It means 1 mole is equal to 2 normal solution in case of sulfuric acid. I will talk about the normality and many other topics in the next video. Let us try to solve this question. If we convert mole into molarity into normality, then we will have to multiply it by 2. If we convert normality into molarity, then we will divide it by 2. Molarity is 1, then normality is 2. If normality is 2, then molarity is 1. Just half. We will do half of this also. Therefore, molarity will be n by 2. N means normality. Normality is 3n divided by 2, that is equal to 1.5 m. It means solution of sulfuric acid having 3 normality has molarity 1.5 mole. बच्चों समझ में आया होगा आपको? फिर भी कोई दिक्कत लगे तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं. मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और क्वेश्चंस और वैरायटी के साथ. थैंक यू.